To add home or work locations in Tesla Navigation, start on your vehicle's touchscreen. Tap Controls, then select Navigation. From there, tap Favorites. In Favorites, select Add New Favorite. You can search for your address or use the map to pin the exact location. Then label it as home or work. Setting home enables automatic charging reminders when nearing home. Work can be linked to your calendar for optimized commutes. You can also add these favorites in the Tesla mobile app under the Navigation tab. Any changes made in the app will sync seamlessly with your vehicle. In addition to home and work, Tesla allows up to 50 custom favorite locations. These let you save frequently visited spots like grocery stores, airports, or charging stations. To add a custom favorite, enter Navigation mode on the touchscreen. Tap the star icon or Favorites tab. Search for the location or pin it on the map, then save it with a relevant label. Tesla uses icons for visual cues to categorize your favorites, such as restaurant or charging station. This makes it easy to quickly identify different types of locations. All favorite locations integrate seamlessly with Tesla's Trip Planner for efficient multi-stop routes. You can add waypoints, optimize charging stops, and plan complex journeys. To use a saved favorite, enter Navigation mode, tap the star icon or Favorites tab, then select your desired location. The system will route you there automatically. Remember to sync your Tesla app to ensure your changes reflect in your vehicle instantly. This keeps your favorites updated across all devices.